Ninnukori Gaga Magari Sani Sari Gama. While you are singing in Akara, make sure you are hitting all the notes. Don't do that, okay? I got this, so you will definitely get it. So it's only about knowing the right technique. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn a very quick tutorial, a tutorial which we have already learned, but we are going to learn it technically. This is the song from the movie Accham Yenbadu Madamayada, and the song is Raasali. The Ninnukori humming is there, right? I received a comment from Binuji who wanted the notations for this particular alaap. So that is what we are going to see. So for that, let's quickly set our Shruti box in the scale A and then get to the video. Ninnuko gaga ma gamare ho re re ga ma ga re sa sa ni pa Ninnukori pa sa sa ga ga ma pa Ninnukori niza 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 re ga ma re yunna nura niza ga ma pa ma ga re ma ga Ninnuko gaga ma re ho re ga ma pa pa yun pa ma ga na nura ga ma pa da ni da pa ma ha ma da pa ma ma Ninnuko gaga magari sani sari gama re magari sani sari gama pa ko magari sani sari ga pa sani sani o dani ni ni ho pa da 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 o ma pa pa o gama mama o re ga ma pa re ma ga re za ni za. That's it. So let's try the whole alaap in the swara. Ga ga ma re ga ma ga re za za ni ba ni za ga ma ba niza 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 re ga ga ma re niza ga ma pa ma ga re ma ga ma re ga ma pa pa ma ga ma pa da ni da pa ma da pa ma ga ma ga re sa ni re ga ma ga re sa ni re ga ma pa ma ga re sa ni ga pa sa ni da ni ni pa da 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 ma pa ga ma ma re ga ma pa ma ga re sa ni za. That's it. Simple alaap, right? So this is the whole alaap in notations. But I will also tell you how you can crack certain tough sangatis, especially the last part. Now, trying to figure out the last bit, which is ma ga re sa ni re ga ma ga re sa ni re ga ma pa ma ga re sa ni re ga pa sa ni, that whole bit, how you can practice it, right? Now, practicing alaap will definitely need akara practice because your voice should be comfortable enough to sing those notes, faster notes, right? So what you can do is, you just do this technique. Try this technique. Ma ga re sa ni re ga ma. Sing this very slow. And now try and switch it to akara. Now what you're going to do is, while you're singing in akara, make sure you're hitting all the notes. Don't do that, okay? If you see, only the first and the last notes were clearly heard, but the rest of the notes were just smudged somewhere, right? So that is not the right way to do. So what you do, you try and record this while you're practicing, okay? And while you're listening to it, you will definitely understand how you're singing. This is a very good tip that you can follow, because I have always followed this. I used to record my song and then I'll judge my own song, because you can be the best critic for your own songs, right? So try to record it and try to listen if all those notes in your akara is evidently coming out in the voice, okay? Can you see? You can actually hear magare sa ni sa re ga ma. All those notes you can hear very clearly. So that is the right way to do akara practice, okay? Now once you're done with a slower pace, try to slowly increase the pace. You can sing one bit of swara and then you can start with the akara. That will give you a good ladder for your voice, okay? So now let's try in a little faster tempo. Magare sa ni sa re ga ma. And let's try and increase the pace. Magare sa ni sa re ga ma. Now what you do, you keep repeating this n number of times until you don't get it wrong, okay? Magare sa ni sa re ga ma. Keep repeating it. Repeat it multiple times. Your voice will easily get practice to that, okay? But before you jump into this step, make sure you're doing the first two steps properly, because your foundation should be correct, right? Now let's try the same technique for the whole alaap. Magare sa ni sa re ga ma, magare sa ni sa re ga ma pa, magare sa ni sa re ga ma, magare sa ni sa re ga ma pa, magare sa ni sa re ga pa sa ni da ni ni pa da da ma pa ga ma ma ga re ga ma pa, magare sa ni sa Now what we are going to do, we are going to increase the pace, right? So to get here, you will have to start slow, okay? I got this, so you will definitely get it, okay? So it's only about knowing the right technique. Now you know the alaap, break it down, practice in parts, and you will easily be able to bring it to the actual speed, okay? So that was our video for today. Thank you so much, Binodji, for asking me to notate. If you haven't told, I wouldn't have notated this at all, because I didn't know the notations either. It is just by listening I learnt the whole alaap. But yes, thank you so much for giving me that knowledge as well. And to all of you who have stayed till the very end of this video, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. This really means a lot. If you really like this video, please do mention that in the comment sections. And once again, if you haven't checked the original video, please do check that as well. The link is given in the description box. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. That goes without saying. With that, I will see you soon in the next week with yet another beautiful song. Till then, keep practicing, keep singing and take care.